You make a lot of dials. You've made a lot of dials in your life. What are some tricks that you use to kind of reset? Maybe after a bad day of calls or you're just not feeling it. How do you keep that? You always have a really even, pleasant tone to your voice. You always have a real good energy. And I've seen the notebooks and the stuff that you walk around with. You're always doing what you need to get done every day. Do you have any tricks that you can share with the group on like how to get through it when you just don't want to do it?
Do it.
Just do it.
I'm telling you, there's days that I have like a crappy day, and I always make that one last phone call. 99.9% of my 26-year career, I've gotten the best person at the end of the day, and it changed my whole day.
Yeah, I bet you probably even changed your career a little bit just by making a few extra reps or being like, I'm going to finish out the day. Success was right on the other side of that crappiness. And I don't know what that is. Maybe we do need to get crystals and all that stuff. But isn't that weird? It's like the really good stuff is right on the other hand of, right on the other side of nobody answering their phone for 25 dials. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here or just simply comment with the word closer and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.